Hi there. Happy Friday, everyone. Happy holidays. And welcome to the last day of our 5-day holiday giveaway. There it is. Welcome. It's me, Lisa Wade, legal nurse consultant and owner of Wade Nurse Consultants. Think of us when you have medical record reviews to get completed. And if you need experts located, visit us at wadenurseconsultants.com and hopefully we can help you get that done. But I am also the creator of our wonderfully private LinkedIn group, the Attorney Medical Record Resource Group. And that's what this week has been about. I have been looking for attorneys and paralegals, legal assistants in the personal injury or med mal arena. And I have been looking for you to join this group and win prizes this week. Here is the link to our little group in LinkedIn. I'm going to put it into the comments in a little bit so you can click on it and join us. I have been showing up every day this week via LinkedIn Live at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to give you all the details about the prizes that we are giving out, how to enter this holiday raffle, and the benefits of joining our little group. Because the Attorney Medical Record Resource Group, it is a wonderful community resource for your medical record and medical terminology questions. Inside the group, I'm available to answer questions and provide clinical insights into the sometimes confusing world of medical records that come with your cases that include medical or nursing malpractice, general personal injury, products liability, criminal cases, but any case containing medical or nursing concerns. Now, let's get into how you can be a part of this giveaway raffle. Here's how it works. Number one, joining our group this week automatically enters you into this holiday raffle. Number two, current members. Invite new members this week and you'll be entered into our raffle. Number three, tune in if you have been tuning in to LinkedIn Live every day this week at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You'll hear the next two giveaway prizes that are available, and I'm going to be giving away the last two prizes today. Tune in. Last part, tune in on Monday, December the 19th at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and you will hear me announce all 10 of our prize winners. Yay! Now, in just a minute, I'm going to bring out my co-host for today, James Coogan, Esquire from Illinois, who just happens to be a member of our Attorney Medical Record Resource Group and past guest on my podcast, Should You Take That Case? And that is the main benefit of being a part of this group, because everybody that is a guest on my podcast is a group member. So we're going to talk to James about what it's like to be on the show. And but before we do that, before we bring James out, I'm going to scoot over to the comments, see if anybody's visiting us live today. Put some hearts and likes and emojis right into those comments so we can see you and say hello. Put an A into that chat if you are a part of, or if you're an attorney. Put a P if you're a paralegal. But if you are a part of a wonderful group, which I'm a part of, put a W into that chat if you are part of Women-Owned Law. It is a wonderfully groundbreaking group that helps connect and advance women legal entrepreneurs. So visit us at womenownedlaw.org if that sounds like something that is interesting to you. Now, thank you all for coming on, visiting us live today. It's much appreciated. Even if you're catching us on the replay, I know it takes a lot of time to to spend with us. Oh, and we do have one live person. There you go, Tyra. Thank you for coming. It's appreciated. All right. Now we're getting ready to bring out James. Now, let me see if I can bring him out here. He's going to talk to us about what he does and where he does it. I'm going to give you two more of the giveaway prizes, and then we're going to talk a little bit about how he enjoyed being on our podcast. Now, here we go. There you go, James.
Hey, good morning, Lisa.
Oh, good morning. I'm so glad you're here with us. How's the weather in Illinois?
Well, in the northern part here by Chicago, it's a little snowy, it's a little wintry. It's unsurprising, but it's sometimes it's still not your favorite thing to see.
Oh, well, yes. Well, it's better than some weather that some folks are getting this week. So, yay. Thank goodness. All right. Well, James, tell us a little bit about who you are, what you do, and where you do it. And we want to hear about you.
Absolutely. Thank you. Our law firm here is called Coogan Gallagher. I'm Jim Coogan. And, our clients are mostly regular people when they're in a position where they got injured somewhere, whether it was at work, whether it was something that happened in the course of medical treatment, traffic crashes, things like that. Those are difficult spots to be in. You're injured. You don't exactly know what to do next. You're not sure what your legal rights are. That's where we come in. That's who we help. That's who we work for, is those people. So obviously a big part of that practice includes trying to figure out their medical situation. So virtually any client that we have with an injury case, there's going to be medical records. There's going to be treatment. We need to know what they're doing, what's happening. Sometimes that requires some help from experts and professionals like Lisa here.
Oh, well, I'm always happy to help, James, for sure. But what now I'm going to do now is just I'm going to talk to you and tell you what the next two prizes are and how you can enter into our lovely holiday raffle.
Let's hear it.
Let me bring out some prizes. Prize number one. Ta-da! We are giving away a miniature set of binoculars. If you're heading out and you are traveling, it's nice. Are you doing some whale watching? Are you doing some dolphin watching? It might be helpful and handy to you. And if you're staying at home, bird watching sounds good too. Or if you're getting back on Broadway, it's a nice substitute to opera glasses when you're out there catching the plays and the concerts. So that is prize number one for today. How's it look?
Yeah, as you pointed out, they're very versatile. You got a lot of options with those.
That's right. That's right. Oh, and we got a little handy dandy case that it comes in, fits right on, a little loop right for your belt loop. There you go. All right. That's prize number one. It's convenient. And prize number two, our last prize for this week, Holiday Raffle, is a $250 gift certificate for Legal Nurse Consulting Services. Hey, it's handy. If you've got some medical reviews that you need done, if you got some medical chronologies, and if you're looking for an expert, all of this goes towards that pricing. It's a little coupon. It's a holiday coupon off for services that you need. Sound like a plan?
That sounds like the best one right there.
All right. Excellent. Well, I'm going to show you real quick how you can get into this raffle, James. It's really easy. You're already in the Attorney Medical Record Resource Group because you have to be a part of our show. And if you can just scoot over to the home page, there it is, of the group. There we are. And get over to that invite connections button. and just invite one or two folks in your cohort or your cohorts, your people that you think might be benefit from being a part of our little group or being on our show. Just invite them, and that enters you into the raffle. And if they accept and come and become members, that enters them into the raffle. So it's easy peasy. You know what? I'm going to slip you, put inside the chat. I'll put that link to the group. You can, even while we're here today, you can just click on over there and start inviting folks so we can get you into this raffle, James. Sounds like a plan?
How much easier can it get?
It can't get much easier. It really can't. So I'm going to stop sharing right this minute, and you're going to talk to us a little bit about your experience being on our show, on our podcast. Should you take that case, how did it work for you?
Well, I really appreciated joining you. I mean, we're essentially talking about some of the same things. What you do in breaking these records down complements the kind of business we're in and other types of legal practice where we're attorneys. We didn't go to nursing school. We don't necessarily understand the day-to-day practice the way you do. So it was good to talk about that with you and kind of discuss where your expertise can come into the part of the analysis of the case, figure out what the issues are, or even with our other cases that we handle, like whether or not there was nursing negligence that might be part of the process. Talking about that with you was great because you know the subject matter, you know it better than I do, and you're the kind of person who can help point to those things where, hey, this doesn't look quite right. I can tell by the way they wrote this. We should look into this more deeply. We should look at the medication that was administered when this order came through. You know, it's those little insights, and it's always interesting to hear from people who know, like you. So it was a great opportunity.
Oh, well, and it was you were an easy peasy interview, very interesting and full of knowledge and insights. And I appreciate having you and hope we can do that again soon.
Yeah, no, I'd like that.
All right. Well, it looks like we are winding up for our last holiday giveaway. Let me just remind everybody, the way you enter is to join that group, that attorney medical record resource group, or invite other people to join. That's how your name gets piled into a basket, and we get to pick on Monday all of the prize winners. That's the link to our little group. I'm going to end up putting it in the comment section so you can just click on it easily and come over and join us. But as we wind up, I'm wishing everybody wonderful, happy holidays, safe and healthy, and asking everybody, boy, keep on joining this group so you can get on to our wonderful podcast and be interviewed like James has done. And tune in on Monday, December the 19th at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I'm going to announce all the winners of our 5-day holiday giveaway and enrollment event. So we'll see you next week. And thanks again, James, for coming.
It was great to see you. Happy holidays to you, Lisa.
Thank you. See you soon.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.